Imagine if when you purchased your car, you had two choices for fan speeds in air conditioning and heating mode, and when you made your first choice, you had to live with that speed for the life of ownership of that vehicle. That's essentially the situation in just about every home in America right now when it comes to the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Contractors are limited to one or two speed choices to solve common comfort problems using a motor with only 50% efficiency in many cases. DynaMotors is planning to bring to market a variable speed motor that allows contractors to tune airflow to solve common comfort problems. We have 10 patents on our variable speed motor technology, which operates in the 1/4 to 2 horsepower range. Energy efficiency in motors is largely achieved by varying the speed or power developed by the motor, thereby only using the power that you need for the application. And that's what makes our motor a green motor, in addition to its good efficiency level. Believe it or not, you're talking to an entrepreneur who has a purchase order. We're almost about to emerge from the valley of the United Laboratories and be able to ship against that first order in the coming months. That order is for a portable fan that fire departments use to blow the smoke out of buildings in order to go in and rescue us or to evacuate the smoke and fumes after a fire. Our motor is applicable in the fan, pump, and mixing industries very well. All of these are billion-dollar industries, but our first focus is on that HVAC aftermarket opportunity. 110 million homes have a fixed speed, as low as 50% efficient motor installed. 4 million of those are replaced every year due to failure. A huge missed upgrade opportunity in the industry. A couple of forces are driving this opportunity that we don't see going away. Homeowners have indicated by the American Home Comfort Survey that they're willing to spend up to $900 to increase comfort and health in their home. On top of that, we're all looking for energy savings as energy costs are increasing, and many of us want to make a contribution to the environment. On the other side, mandates and carbon taxes are looking to increase energy costs as we go forward, and utility rebates and tax credits lower the cost of making these kind of energy efficient upgrades, reducing the homeowner's time for payback. Based on these drivers, which we don't see going away anytime soon, we expect the 4 million replacement units to grow to 5 million as homeowners begin to proactively upgrade instead of wait for failure. And we expect, because these premium motors cost more, we expect the dollar revenue in this market to go from under 300 million to over 700 million and perhaps as much as 900. The blue area represents the market share that we're forecasting in the business model and plans that we've put together. Why does the DynaMotor win in this market? Well, in addition to being a drop-in replacement, so the technicians require no training to replace this, we provide tuning. First through an optional module where the technician can tune air conditioning to change the amount of dehumidification if a home is in a particularly dry or wet climate. And second, for heat pump applications where there are often complaints about temperature output of the unit. Our product roadmap includes the integration of sensors with the motor so that motor speed can be controlled based on temperature, humidity, or pressure, giving active control of the system as the system requirements change. These two things get contractors really excited with words like, "You mean you can do that?" The residential marketplace is ready for variable speed technology. So the value proposition to the homeowner is comfort, improved health through low-cost air circulation that evens temperatures in the home and increases filtering and energy savings. Our contractors turn just a failed motor event into a home improvement for a few $100s to the homeowner. He maintains his industry image in his region as being the leader in comfort and energy savings, which is key to how he competes with low-cost Larry in his region. And he's improved his profits with virtually no investment in infrastructure or training. We're starting in the Midwest. Ohio and Pennsylvania is in our marketing plan. Our goal is to get the product to market, verify the sales and marketing and business model, then start to expand concentrically into the rest of the Northeast and Midwest, while at the same time going nationally through top-tier contractors and best practices groups that are very reachable in the industry. Finally, at the right time, bringing in distribution into that pitch, into that channel. By 2015, we're forecasting 100,000 units, most of those through contractors we recruited directly, who will be purchasing through distribution at that point, the rest through the contractors that the distribution channel has reached. Our CEO was a founder of a company. He grew from under $1 million to $70 million before exiting. All of us have over 20 years experience in new product development, launches, and business development. We've got a strong management advisory board of ex-CEOs, including guys from places like Pioneer Electronics, and we're building an HVAC advisory board that includes other OEMs, contractors, and consultants in the industry to guide us on our journey here. We're projecting $55 million in sales in 2015 with $11 million in EBITDA. We see the need for $3.6 million in venture funding for this. We're looking for a first investment of $1.8 now to do the product development and regional launch with an exit through acquisition in 2015. This is a triple win, a win for the contractor, a win for the homeowner, and a win for the investor. You can see me at booth 104 to learn more. Thank you.